The challenges facing agriculture, such as climate change, environmental degradation, and the need for technological innovation and agriculture mechanization, were among the issues discussed this week between Samoa and the Food and Agriculture Organization. Samoa's Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries, La'aulialemalietoa FAO, met with Mr. Q Dong-Yu, the Director General of Food and Agriculture Organization, during the 37th session of the Regional Conference for Asia and the Pacific, now in progress in Colombo, Sri Lanka. La'aulialemalietoa, together with Falemavaenga Titimaya Tafua, the Associate Minister of MNRE, took the opportunity to share with the Director General of FAO the commitment of Samoa to the sustainable development of our agriculture, environment, and fisheries industries. As we look to the future, we are aware of the challenges facing our agriculture, environment, and fisheries industry, including climate change, environmental degradation, and the need for technological innovation and agriculture mechanization, said the minister. We are also committed to confronting these challenges head-on, leveraging the latest advancements in science, technology, and sustainable practices to ensure the continued prosperity and resilience of our food system. The minister also emphasized the importance of collaboration and partnership in achieving shared goals. In Samoa, we are actively engaged with regional and international organizations, as well as our fellow Pacific nations, to exchange knowledge, expertise, and resources for the benefit of all.